Hi, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. We're here in Barangay Burgos Street. And we always pass in this area every time we stop at the rice mill for drinks. And they got always a lot of laundry there. So we think that there's a lot of kids there. And we decided to give them some mattress to give a good sleep to the family.
Asa mo na ate? Salamat.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. It's a dirt floor they got.
Anong payag, sir? Bahay pupo.
And it's just a small house. That's their kitchen. That's their table there.
Okay, salamat. Salamat, ate.
And that's the mattress. Thank you, Sandman. Eng na lang, day. Salamat. Thank you, Sandman.
Thank you, Sandman.
Thank you so much, Sandman. Another family, and God bless. And that's the kids there.
There, I have 3 kids.
I think that's part of our education program.
Kanina siya wa, ate.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Sandman.